Okay, today is the November 14, year 2025. Today is the third day, day 3. Okay, it's start raining. And I just arrived. It's already 4 there, 4 or 5. Okay, let's see their progress. Yesterday they able to finish 2 wall, and today they are able to finish another wall. Okay. 2 days. 2 days itong wall, and this is the third day. Yan, another wall. So yung biga lang, no? At least wala dito, pawala na. Iuwi ninyo yan, ha? Okay. And ito. Ayan. Okay. This is the third wall. Yan, third wall yan. And tomorrow they will start this wall, this 2 wall. Mga biga na lang. Biga. Okay. So, bukas ito naman umpisa ba? Ito? Okay, okay.
Tapos sa lunch log, saksakan mo. Sira yung log. Ano tayo? Direct ako.
Paano nasira? Akin na, tingnan nga nga.
Itos kahit ano eh.
May loose?
Dito kami bukas sir, dito kami sir. Saksakan mo yun oh. Dito kami bukas.
Ano?
Dito kami bukas. Urong namin scaffolding dito. Dito kami, dalawa.
Okay, sige. Okay. Okay. Asa ba ulit? Nasira. Paano nasira?
Loss. Wala, ang ginawa ko, nirekta ko doon sa plug.
Tinali mo na lang.
Oy, nilagyan ko bumili ako ng electrical tape.
Oh, sige, okay na. Sige, thank you. Okay. Asa ba ulit? Thank you.